All right, get ready to do a walkthrough with Real Connect Realty. This property behind us on Deborah Loop, we are closing on it in 2 hours. And guess what? It is full of furniture and she's gonna leave it there for 5 days. Let's tell you why. Let's go inside. So do you see all of this stuff behind me? In Staten Island, we have something that's called 5 days post-possession, where the seller can occupy the property after we close with no penalty. So she doesn't have to pay a fee every day. It's something that we usually do here, especially when we're selling a property and purchasing another one. So our final walkthrough, we have 2 of them. The first one, they're coming here now to check the place out. And then the second final walkthrough will be 5 days from now with everything cleared out. And what they do to protect circumstance like this is they usually hold money in escrow. So for this specific deal, we are holding money in escrow. So I hope that helps. And if you have a friend or somebody needs to hear this, like, follow, and share, and I'll see you in the next video.